So when you go to install an electric strike, exit device, or even hinge, how do you know it works before you actually install it? I got a product for you. So let's think about this together for a minute. So you have a brand new electronic strike, or maybe even an electrified exit device, and you go out to install it. But do you actually check to make sure that product works before you actually install it and leave? Now, sometimes, depending on the laws, the regulations, and the licenses, maybe you're doing the whole system and you can hook it up and check, and that's great. But a lot of times, a lot of integrators have professionals go out and install the hardware and then leave, right? Without ever checking to make sure it works. Or think about this. What if you're in a situation where you installed an electric strike and you get a call that it's not working? How do you actually know what the real problem is? It requires some troubleshooting. Well, I want to show you this product called the CAT Field Tester. It's by Command Access, and essentially what this field device allows you to do is actually test the electrified device you're going to install before you install it. Or if you're troubleshooting, you can take the device off the door in question and you can test it to see if that's the problem. It's a really great, handy device. And the best part about it is you can take your DeWalt 20 volt or Milwaukee or Makita 18 volt battery that you use on your drills and just simply power it up. It's that simple. You can adjust the power voltage that you need on this device between 11 and 30 volts. And it's powerful enough to activate solenoid and motorized latch retraction exit devices. So in a nutshell, it's a very simple, powerful tool to help you troubleshoot on the fly and make sure the products that you're working with actually work. So now let me go ahead, I'll take the camera, we'll put it up top here, and we'll plug in the DeWalt battery and have a little fun. All right, so we have the field tester right here, and I have this DeWalt battery we'll be hooking up. Like I said, essentially all the units are the same, but they come with a different plug-in, right here. So this is the DeWalt plug-in. Make sure, when you go to order them, you just pay attention and order the right one that you need for the Milwaukee, Makita, or DeWalt, all right? Now, I do have a little confession before we get going here. I'm borrowing this DeWalt battery because I have Ryobi stuff, so I will let you make fun of me about that later. So essentially all you need to do here is just plug it in. All right, put it in there. And then you can set the voltage range right here. All right, so I'm gonna adjust it down. I'm just gonna go to 12 volts here. And I even went ahead and I found a really old electronic strike here. And it's like, let's see if this thing works. So essentially all you have to do here, I'm gonna just move this over, all right, put this right here. And essentially all you have to do is actually just hook up the alligator clips that comes with it here onto the device. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll hook that up. And it's really this simple. All we're gonna do is just push the power button and we're gonna wait to hear a sound here. Ready? There you have it. It's really that simple to test, all right? You do that, you test it, you know if it works, and at that point, you can proceed, or if there's a problem, well, you can deal with it before you actually get the job done. All right, and there you have it, the Command Access Field Tester. I think it's a great, affordable device that makes it super quick to test the electrified locking hardware on the go. And down below in the notes, you're gonna find a link to the product. You can check it out and get all the data on the tester. I would love to get your thoughts on this tester in the comments below. And make sure that you include the hashtag LockBoss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.